Good morning, guys. We always start our videos with a cold start, and I'll let you guys hear it. AMG's has this low rumbling sound. It's always like this. This has an Akrapovic exhaust. It mellowed down already, so yeah, let's go. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Import to Cup channel, where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today, guys, I have with me a wide-body, complete Vorsteiner USA setup. I'll do a quick walk-around video for you guys. The Vorsteiner kit composes of this hood, this grille, this front lip spoiler, the wide body fenders, the roof wing, and the rear diffuser, guys. Let's start off by saying this is one of my favorite parts of the car. Look how nice and aggressive this hood is. This is a full replacement, guys. This costs a lot of money. And this is a very, very lightweight hood compared to the stock. The quality is nice. We made all the carbon fiber parts satin just to have an accent, and I think it looks so great, contrasting to the gloss black. This comes with the V logo, the Vorsteiner logo, but personally I like this look more, so I removed the V logo, replaced it with the OEM Benz logo. Then this is the front spoiler, guys. Finished in satin carbon fiber as well. Looks very, very aggressive. Fitment is perfect. Then the wildest feature of this body kit, the Vorsteiner wide body kit. It has vents. You can see the stock body line. So the stock fenders ends here. So it's almost double, guys. We extended the fender liners. I'm running a very, very aggressive wheel setup as compared to the Vorsteiner demo unit. We've moved a lot of plastics just to fit this wheel. This is a 3-piece forged wheel design from Vorsteiner. Look at the quality of the spoke and the wheel. And look at the design. It's pretty wild, guys. It's 3-piece, so this is the first piece, outer lip. The inner lip is the other piece. Then the third piece is the center spoke. It's bolted by these bolts here. 50-50 hardware, meaning to say 50 exposed and 50 at the back side. I match this very closely just to have a contrast, then satin black. Look how low the front is with the lowering springs. Looks so good. The wheels matches the Akrapovic exhaust tips. I really, really like the design of this exhaust tips. A lot of brands just have like circular design or some like a squarish design, but this one is one of a kind. This is the Vorsteiner wide body fenders rear. The tire size of this is 295/30/24. This is a roof spoiler from Vorsteiner, very racing inspired. Then the rear diffuser. Look at that. It looks simple but so aggressive. We've wrapped the car with Xpel film, gloss, and satin PPF combo. If you look at this carbon fiber hood from Vorsteiner, you can see the quality. It's super nice, guys. Look at that. I love how this looks. Very, very light hood as compared to the stock OEM one. So yeah, you can see the quality. Look how the weave is. I only choose the best brands because a lot of them has imperfection. If you buy like replica China ones, the weave is not perfect, the quality is not so nice, the fitment is not good. I always push for branded stuff because the fitment first is good. You can never adjust the replica ones properly. Second, the quality. And third, I mean, why would you want replica stuff on your car? We're now inside the G63. I just realized that we've shot so many G63s in our YouTube channel already. So I'm not gonna go into the driving details of this one. Maybe I'll just show you the things that I like and I love about this car. Plus, I actually wanna feature this mainly because this one, the best in its category, European SUV in the last car show that we joined, which is the Manila Auto Salon. This is the widest G63 build that we've done so far. Vorsteiner gave me one of the first. Actually, this is the second kit that they produced in the world for the G63 platform. I'm so happy that I get allocations and I get to bring in a lot of first in the Philippines. Here at Import Hookup, we get the first. The backstory of this car, this is a modified G63 already. We've installed Brixton wheels and the Akrapovic exhaust before. And I told him, hey, I'm joining the car show. He told me that, why not use my car? I told him, we've done so many G63s and it doesn't make sense to show this car because, I mean, it looks normal. Well, normal for us and for our car show builds. So he told me, why not order a body kit, wide body kit? And he wants a new one. And I showed him the Vorsteiner kit like 3-4 months before. So they sent me the body kit. Funny thing is, it's so wide that the Brixton wheels didn't fit the car at all. 2 or 3 weeks before the show, I called Vorsteiner, hey, I need wheels, man, because it doesn't look good. I mean, I don't want to put spacers. Luckily, they accommodated my order. I'm so happy because they do their in-house wheel manufacturing in-house. So yeah, they rushed a set. 1 week, it was complete. 1 week, I shipped it in, and we completed this a week before. Actually, this is the most stressful car that we've joined in the car show. That's why I wanna shoot it, because we were such in a hurry that the car almost didn't make it. Yeah, that's the backstory. I'll point out the few features that I love about this car. First, I love the engine. It's a V8 twin-turbo engine producing 577 horsepower and 600 plus torque. It's amazing and it's super torquey for its car. I mean, this is a super heavy car and it produces a lot of pops and bangs, burbles, and it produces a very muscular sound. This car is equipped with Akrapovic exhaust. The kit from Akrapovic makes it 2 sides. I'll do a quick pull. Wow! I love the backfires. See? Can you hear that? For this year, we promised to deliver better videos. So we've invested in a couple of mics so you can get to hear the exhaust sound more. One more pull. Gabe? I'll start with the first gear. Gabe? Wow. That's one thing that I love about this car. Second, the way it looks. I wasn't sold to the G63 looks before, but now I learned how to love it, guys. I learned how to appreciate the looks, the boxy looks of this car, the exterior, especially when you modify it. Another thing that I like about this G63 is that it has a lot of aftermarket brand support. A lot of aftermarket car brands are making new parts for this platform. Wide body kits, exhaust, suspension, everything. A lot of people likes to modify their G63, and I like it too because yeah, I get to play around and modify a lot of G63s. One more thing that I like about this G63 is how it drives, guys. Because before, I didn't like how the old G63 drives because it feels like a truck. This is a modern SUV that you can daily use, like a daily car. The suspension is good. The suspension is firm. If you like parts for your G63 or any of your supercar, Eurocar, JDM car, hit us up at Import Hookup Facebook or my Instagram, kbh_kbh. So this is it for today's episode. I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.